Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss about CSV files. What's a CSV file? CSV file. That is comma separated values file. What is its purpose? The purpose is importing or exporting data between CSV files and pandas. That is importing or exporting. That means we can write the data to this CSV files and we can read the data from this CSV files and pandas also. Okay, let's start the topic. Introduction. We have seen Python pandas library and learn about two data structures of pandas library. That is series and data frames that are capable of storing any types of data in 2D tabular format. That is like a table, we can store the data in the series and data frames. We already learned about that. Then to transfer a data to or from a .csv file from or into a data frame. That is the type of transferring data. We can use this .csv file for reading and writing. The front end is data frames. We can use this data frames to write the CSV files. Then we can read the data from the CSV files through this data frames itself or through this Python pandas library itself. Okay, then what is this CSV file? We already said that is comma separated values. Acronym CSV is short form of comma separated values. The CSV format refers to a tabular data that has been saved as plain text where data is separated by commas. That's a plain text but the data are separated by commas. Okay, then example, consider a table having some data as shown below. That is, this is a table like structure: name, email, phone number, address. Then all the names we can see, email, phone number and address we can see from this table. This is the tabular format. Then the data of the table will be stored in CSV format as shown below on the right. That is, the CSV file format is shown like this. CSV file format is shown like this. That is comma separated values. After this name, comma, email, comma, phone number, comma, address, not specified the comma, but it identifies the new line, next row, that name, then that email ID, phone number and address. Okay, clear this one? Then as you can see that in CSV format, each row of the table is stored in one row. We identified that one, that is name, email, phone number and address. That is in one row. That is, the number of rows in a CSV file are equal to number of rows in the table. That also we identified. That is here 3 rows. The 3 rows we can see, including the heading. Okay. The field values of a row are stored together with commas after every field value. After every field value we can see the comma. Check this one. These all are commas. Okay, but after the last field's value in a line or row, no comma is given. End of this row, we can't see any comma. Just the end of line. To use the end of line. Okay, clear? This is the CSV file format. Okay, then the CSV format is popular as it offers the following advantages. It has the following advantages. That is, first one, simple, compact and indifferent format for data storage. Simple, compact and indifferent format for data storage. We can store the data in this particular format itself, that is CSV format itself, comma separated values formats. That is very simple, compact, then indifferent format. Okay, then a common format for data interchange. What is its meaning? A common format. That means for all the interchanging type of data we can use this format. All other spreadsheet or calc or databases all are supported this CSV format. So a common format for data interchange. It can be opened in popular spreadsheet packages like MS Excel, Calc, etc. We already said that means it can be opened in popular spreadsheet packages like MS Excel, Calc, etc. We can use this CSV files, CSV format files in this MS Excel or Calc. In these all applications, we can use this CSV file formats. Okay, nearly all spreadsheets and databases support import or export to CSV format. All the spreadsheet and databases support import or export to CSV format. Okay, clear this? These are the basic terms of this CSV files. That's a comma separated values. What is it? How can we identify this one? These all things you just identify. Okay, clear? CSV files and pandas. Importing or exporting data between CSV files and pandas. We can write the data to this CSV file through pandas library. We can read the data from the CSV file through pandas library. That is its usages. Okay, clear? Okay children, these all are easy topics, but you have to study in a systematic way. Then only you can easily identify these all terms, CSV files. Okay, the notes of the topic is attached. Just go through that. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. Take care. Bye.